Hi friends, today's our topic is a pack of cards. First of all, what is meant by probability? Probability is nothing but number of favorable outcomes by total number of events in a sample space. It is generally represented by n of e by n of s. Here n of e represents total number of favorable outcomes and n of s represents sample space. Now let us consider an example of tossing a coin. While a coin is tossed, what are the outcomes heads and tails? So here let n of e represent the probability of getting a head. Here how many heads? Only one head is present, right? So n of e is 1 and n of s represents the sample space. Sample space means total number of outcomes that are only 2 heads and tails 2. So p of e represents the probability of getting one head. So here p of e is equals to n of e by n of s. Here n of e is 1 by n of s is 2. So 1 by 2 is our answer. In this way we have to find the probability. Now let us see the pack of cards. Here there are total 52 cards present in a deck of cards. These 52 cards are subdivided into two types. They are 26 red and 26 black. These 26 red cards are subdivided into two types. They are 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. These 26 black cards are further subdivided into two types. They are 13 spade cards and 13 club cards. Okay, in every pack there are 13 cards. In this 13 there are 3 pictured cards. They are king, queen and jack. These are numbered pictured cards. And again there are 10 numbered cards. They are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And in place of 1 there will be an ace card. In a similar way, here also in diamond cards there are 3 pictured cards. They are king, queen and jack. And 10 numbered cards. They are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And in place of 1 there will be an ace card. In a similar way, here in spade card also there are 3 pictured cards. They are king, queen and jack. And 10 numbered cards. They are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in place of 1 there will be an ace card. In a similar way, here also in club cards there are 3 pictured cards. They are king, queen and jack. And 10 numbered cards. They are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And in place of 1 there will be an ace card. Okay, let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 cards. Okay, here also 13, here also 13. Okay, let us see how can we solve the problems based on these concepts. Here are some problems. We will see whether we can solve or not. Okay, let us look after first problem. Find the probability of drawing a red ace from a pack of cards. Red ace. Here red ace means here ace. First of all, let us look after the red cards. Here are here one is and here one is. So there are two. P of E is nothing but probability of getting a red ace card. Now here N of E means number of red ace cards. Here one and here one. So there are two. And N of S represents the sample space. So there are 52 cards. Now P of E means probability how we will get N of E by N of S. So 2 by 52. What we will get? 1 by 26. In this way we have to solve this. Let us look after another problem. Find the probability of drawing a 2-numbered card of spades. 2-numbered card of spades. Spades means let us look after where spade cards present. So here 13 spade cards are present. In this 2-numbered card means only one. So here P of E represents the probability of drawing a 2-numbered card. Now N of E means how many 2-numbered cards? Only one. So N of E is 1. And N of S is sample space. What are the sample space? 52 cards. So P of E total probability is N of E by N of S. So 1 by 52. In this way we have to solve this. Let us look after another problem. Find the probability of drawing a jack card. Means we have to look jack cards. In each pack there will be one jack card. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 jack cards are present in a deck of 52 cards. Now here P of E represents the probability of getting a jack card. N of E means how many jack cards are present? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4. Now N of S means total sample space means 52 cards are present. So P of E is equals to N of E by N of S. Here N of E is 4 and N of S is 52. On solving we get 1 by 13. Now let us look after another problem. Find the probability of drawing a king of red. King of red means we have to look after red cards. Here are red cards. King of red means here in heart cards one king will be there and in diamond cards one king will be there. So king of red means 2 kings will be present under red cards. So P of E represents the probability of drawing a king of red card and N of E means how many kings are present? 1 and 2. So 2. And N of S means sample space. So 52 cards are present in a deck. So the final probability is equal to N of E by N of S. So here N of E is 2 and N of S is 52. What we will get? 1 by 26. In this way we have to solve this problem. Another problem. Find the probability of drawing a card of diamond. Card of diamond. Diamond means we have to look for diamond cards. Here diamond cards are 13. Here they didn't mention any king, queen like that jack card. So we have to take entire 13 cards. Okay, P of E represents the probability of getting a diamond card and N of E means total how many diamonds? 13. N of S means sample space. Total 52 cards present in a deck. So total probability is N of E by N of S means 13 by 52. What we will get? 1 by 4. In this way we have to solve the problems. Thank you friends. If we like this video, please subscribe it.